The QuickChange Wrap is a new type of incontinence device, taking the absorbing and disposable aspects of an adult brief and merging it with the discrete, localized nature of a catheter. The end result is known as a penile wrap. Wraps fold around a male patient's penis and collect urine as soon as it is voided, keeping the urine contained and off the skin. Wraps are dry to the touch within seconds and hold about 500 cc's. They are extremely easy to put on and to remove, with only one caregiver needed. They are made in the USA and are the most dignified solution to male incontinence. There are several different ways of applying a QuickChange wrap, each addressing a different need or physical circumstance. This comprehensive tutorial will individually cover each of these situations and applications. The following practices are for all users and patients. The wraps are made for minimally ambulatory men who are incontinent or who have low urine pressure. It may not be appropriate or suitable for males with a strong urine stream. The side with the blue printing is waterproof and will always face the body, and the white absorbent side will enclose and fold around the penis. There is a hook and loop fastener on the straight flap that attaches to any part of the blue side and holds the wrap closed. One size fits all, as wraps accommodate any size or shape penis, enlarged scrotum, or retracted anatomy. The top part of the wrap remains open, even after being folded, to let heat and humidity escape. If repositioning a patient, check to make sure the wrap is dry. If the wrap is soiled, change the wrap before repositioning. Wraps should be changed 4 to 6 times a day. Be sure to follow your facility's procedures and guidelines regarding changing and cleaning protocol. If a patient is on Lasix or a diuretic, the number of changes a day can be higher. The following instructions are for a standard penis. A non-standard situation can be a retracted indwelling penis, an enlarged scrotum, or a long penis. These are addressed later in this tutorial. First, the standard penis. To begin, place the wrap on the abdomen with the white absorbent side up. Make sure the round edge is towards the head of the body and the 2 flaps are toward the legs. Slide the wrap down so that the inner ring of the wrap is as low and close as possible towards the base of the shaft. Adjust the penis so that it rests in the middle of the wrap. The tip of the penis should never be closer than 2 to 3 inches from the top. If it is, adjust by sliding the wrap up the shaft of the penis. Fold the pointed flap diagonally across and over the penis at a 45-degree angle. Be sure to align the top round edges. Next, fold the straight flap over the first fold, slightly pulling upwards, making sure there is a snug semi-tight fit around the base of the penis to prevent possible leakage. Again, make sure the top round edges match up. A flat fan shape should result. With 2 fingers, pinch the hook fastener and inner flap together to ensure attachment. Remember, the top rounded side is not sealed in order to let heat and humidity escape. Once on, urine is collected as soon as it is voided and does not get onto the abdomen, thighs, or buttocks. Still, follow your facility's cleaning guidelines. The following instructions are for a retracted or indwelling penis. Some users and patients have retracted or indwelling penises, making it difficult to attach condom catheters or even QuickChange wraps on the penis. In this circumstance, you will fold the wrap both underneath and around the scrotum, as well as the penis. To begin, place the wrap on the abdomen with the white absorbent side up. Make sure the round edge is towards the head of the body and the 2 flaps are towards the legs. Slide the wrap down so that the inner ring is as low towards the base of the shaft as possible, or, if totally retracted, the tip of the penis. Slide the pointed flap between the thigh and scrotum, and then scoop up the entire scrotum, lifting upwards. Make sure the folded flap is close to a 45-degree angle. Next, fold the straight flap over the first fold, slightly pulling upwards, making sure there is a snug, semi-tight fit around the penis and scrotum to prevent possible leakage. With 2 fingers, pinch the hook fastener and inner flap together to ensure attachment. The wrap's overall shape will still be a fan. However, it is normal for this shape to be more open and fuller and not lay flat. The top round edges may not align as the scrotum inside the wrap changes the alignment slightly. Remember, the top rounded side is not sealed so that heat and humidity can escape. The following instructions are for an enlarged scrotum. Wraps can also be used on patients with enlarged scrotums and scrotal edema. In these cases, the QuickChange is wrapped around the penis and scrotum in an open cone bowl shape. Place the wrap on the abdomen with the white absorbent side up, with the round edge towards the head, the 2 flaps towards the legs, and the wrap slid down as far as possible against the penis. Pull the pointed flap underneath the base of the scrotum in a clockwise circular motion to start creating the bowl shape. Pull the straight flap counterclockwise underneath and over the scrotum and pointed flap. This should automatically create an open-faced bowl with the wrap. With 2 fingers, pinch the hook fastener and inner flap together to ensure attachment.